How to draw a pumpkin spice latte. We are going to start by drawing a big boxy U in the middle of our page. This will be for our mug. Awesome job! Now we are going to connect the two sides of the U at the top by drawing a slightly curved line. Nice job! Now we are going to draw another U similar to the one we drew at the very beginning that will connect at the top to this curved line we just drew, and it will go right here inside of the one we drew earlier. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. Our mug is coming along great. Next, we are going to draw the handle for our mug on the right side. For this, we are going to draw a curved line right here. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the inner outline of our handle for our mug. For this, we are going to draw another curved line similar to the one that we just drew, but it will be a little bit smaller and inside of it. Looking great so far, learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are all done drawing the mug for our pumpkin spice latte. Next, we are going to draw the whipped cream on the top of our mug. For this, we are going to draw a diagonal curvy line going upwards from the left side of our mug. Then we are going to draw a curvy line going downwards from that one to the right side of our mug to finish drawing the whipped cream. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw two cinnamon sticks sticking out of our pumpkin spice latte from the whipped cream on the right side. Right here, we are going to draw a diagonal line. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a diagonal line below that one exactly the same way. And then we are going to draw a third diagonal line below that one the same way as well. Next, we are going to connect the top of our cinnamon sticks by drawing two small curved lines. This is how to draw a pumpkin spice latte. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.